In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize the features available on manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to enhance your website building experience. Whether you're a seasoned website designer or just starting out, understanding how to effectively use these tools can take your website to the next level. So let's dive in. First, go to wix.com and log into your account. This is where your journey begins. If you're not already a member, consider signing up to unleash the potential of Wix's website building capabilities. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard and look for the Edit Site button. Clicking here will take you to the editor where all the creative magic happens. This is the heart of your website's design process. Now, once you're in the Wix editor, simply click on any element you want to modify, be it text, buttons, images, or sections. When you do this, you'll notice that the inspector panel automatically appears on the right-hand side. This panel is your go-to for making adjustments and refinements. To make layout adjustments, head over to the Layout tab in the Inspector panel. Here you can fine-tune the positioning of your elements by adjusting the X and Y values, set specific dimensions by altering the width and height, and tweak the margins and padding for the just right spacing. You can also adjust alignment to ensure that elements are perfectly positioned within their container. These tools are essential for making sure every component of your site looks polished and fits seamlessly together. Switching gears to design, the Design tab is where you can style your elements. You can change backgrounds by adding colors, gradients, or images, and adjust borders and corners for that perfect look. Don't forget about the effects, where you can apply shadows, hover states, or transitions to really make elements pop. For text elements, the typography settings allow you to customize font, size, weight, and color, ensuring your content is both readable and visually appealing. When it comes to interactions and behaviors, this is where you can set animations and hover effects. For instance, you can make a button change color on hover or add intriguing scroll animations. On the advanced side, you'll find settings like accessibility options for better usability, SEO settings to optimize your site's visibility, and even custom code sections for more technical customizations. After you've made all your changes, it's important to preview your work. In preview mode, not only can you see how your site will appear to visitors, but you can also customize the design separately for desktop, tablet, and mobile, ensuring your site looks flawless on any device. Lastly, once everything looks perfect, click on Publish to push your changes live. This will overwrite the current version of your site with the edited one. After publishing, a final click on Done concludes the editing process and formally saves your work. That's it. You now have a comprehensive understanding of how to navigate and utilize both manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to build and refine your website. Don't forget to explore each feature, as they offer an endless array of possibilities for web design. Happy designing!